How to get YouTube TV free trial promo code. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC, and then in the search bar simply search for YouTube TV free trial promo codes. Right in the search bar, once you search for it, you'll find different sites providing you some coupons and promo codes. You want to go ahead and simply tap on any one of them. For now, I'm going to go ahead and tap on the one that says simply codes. Inside here, you'll then be able to find different kind of coupons and promo codes. Go ahead and simply tap on the one you would like to use, then tap on view code. Inside here, you'll see the code right over here. Simply copy it and now use it during the sign up. Simply go to tv.youtube.com and then start the free trial sign up. Paste the promo code during checkout to claim your extended trial or discount. Also, if you are not satisfied with this promo code, you can go ahead and visit some other sites and find the one that you prefer. Well, that's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.